Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to put background music in OBS while streaming. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add background music to OBS while streaming using YouTube, you can use a variety of methods. And here's how to achieve this. Step 1. Go to the YouTube audio library and the link description down below, so go ahead and click on that. Step 2. Browse and choose music from the library that fits your stream's atmosphere. Step 3. Download the selected music by clicking on the download button next to the track. Step 4. Organize the downloaded music in folder on your computer. Step 5. Launch OBS Studio on your computer. Step 6. In OBS, go to the scene where you want to add background music. Click on the plus button on the sources. Choose Media Source. Step 7. Name the source Background Music. Click Browse to select the downloaded music file. Step 8. Configure settings like looping, speed, etc. according to your preferences. Step 9. Click OK to add the media source. Step 10. Drag the newly added media source to the desired position in your scene. Step 11. Test your stream to ensure that the background music is playing correctly. Important notes. Ensure that the music you chose is royalty-free, or that you have the appropriate licenses to use it on your stream. Be cautious about using copyrighted music without permission, as it can lead to copyright strikes on your YouTube channel. Remember to comply with YouTube's policies and copyright regulations to ensure a smooth and legal streaming experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.